See that? That's me looking out the window of a moving train in a country I know nothing about, Morocco. But that's also me worried because by the time I get to the city of Marrakech, it will be night already. And I arrive just in time for the sunset in Marrakech. From above, the square looks so peaceful and calm, so I decided to check it from below. It's almost like a war zone. With deadly snakes on the ground, men teaching other men about sex, Senegalese people trying to sell me African clothes, and nobody wanted to be filmed. So I decided to take a step back, drive as far away from people as possible, and check into the most calm hotel ever with the best food. Anyway, it's been a long day of traveling. See you tomorrow from proper Marrakech.